My name is Ruta, this is Dovas and Benji.
Today we're traveling to Europe to see our families, and I'm very excited to bring you along to pack. Let's do it. So I always like to stick to my outfits that I already love, and when I travel, I don't have that much time and I don't want to experiment creating different outfits. So what I love about Sydney Luggage is the expandable zipper. I always overpack, so it helps me to have more space and I don't need to squeeze all my things inside. RayRay.
RayRay. So this is my Monaco Garment Duffle Bag. It's very easy. And then, believe it or not, this garment bag transforms into a duffel bag. So now when I land, my suit is going to be nice and fresh without any wrinkles. I can continue packing my shoes. There's a pocket for my passport, for my phone, and that is it.
And lastly, my Indi Diaper Bag.
I can fit my and Benji stuff together, and traveling with a toddler
It's definitely chaotic.
but this bag is truly a lifesaver for all the moms.
All right, Benji, ready to go?
So we're all packed and ready for Europe. Thank you for joining us.